This 2019 Coachmen Catalina SBX 321 BHDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Coachman is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 12, awning, CO detector, leveling jacks, slideout, auxiliary battery, water heater, smoke detector, oven, microwave, stove top burner, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Coachmen Catalina SBX 321 BHDS is 7,750 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.